Making less than $10,000 a month with AI? Here's what you're missing. From spreadsheets to AI solutions in 6 months. Regular people are building 5-figure AI businesses without coding. Your experience is the secret weapon. Tech genius? No. $10,000 a month with AI? Yes, from industry expert to AI leader. Left behind in the AI revolution? Your turning point is here. Turn industry knowledge into AI income. 6 months from now, running your own AI business. This is the blueprint that makes it happen. While your peers are being featured in tech magazines for their AI innovations, you're still stuck explaining basic AI prompts to your boss. Deep down, you know you're capable of so much more. But right now, you're watching the AI revolution from the sidelines. Between client meetings, family obligations, and your growing to-do list, exploring AI feels like trying to climb Mount Kinabalu in flip-flops. You've downloaded 5 AI courses already, but they're gathering digital dust while the industry races ahead. Your LinkedIn feed is flooded with layoff news and AI replacement stories. Meanwhile, your company is already talking about AI integration and adoption, but you're not sure if that means exciting opportunities or a threat to your role. The uncertainty keeps you up at night. Every time you try to learn AI, you're hit with a wall of technical jargon that might as well be written in ancient Sanskrit. The beginner tutorials assume you're already a coding genius, leaving you frustrated and questioning if you're too far behind to catch up. Picture this. Your college junior just landed a 6-figure AI consulting gig, while you're still grinding away at the same salary level as 3 years ago. Each month, as you review your family budget, that knot in your stomach grows tighter. How much longer can you afford to wait? The headlines are clear. AI will eliminate 85 million jobs by 2025. Will your role be among them? Imagine explaining to your children why you didn't adapt when you had the chance. That promotion you're eyeing? It already lists AI expertise as a requirement. Your industry is splitting into 2 camps, those who leverage AI and those who will soon be working for them. Every day you delay is another day your market value potentially decreases. Meanwhile, those who started their AI journey last year are already reaping the rewards. This is Gary Fu. Like you, he once stood at the crossroads of traditional career security and an AI opportunity. As a former civil and structural engineer from Malaysia, he watched AI software gradually replace tasks that took him years to master. That feeling in your gut right now? He knew it well. But here's what he discovered. The path to AI success isn't about becoming a coding genius or having a computer science degree. It's about understanding how to position yourself at the forefront of human expertise and AI capabilities. His journey from traditional engineering to AI entrepreneurship taught him that our non-tech background isn't a weakness. It's actually our secret weapon. Those years of real-world experience and problem-solving skills, they're worth their weight in gold when applied to AI solutions. Through extensive research, experimentation, and real-world application, Gary developed this blueprint specifically for professionals like us people with valuable industry experience looking to harness the power of AI while balancing career transitions and family responsibilities. Unlike those one-size-fits-all AI courses, this blueprint, the AI Income Breakthrough, is specifically designed for professionals balancing family obligations, career transitions, and cultural expectations. Here are 6 milestones. Milestone number 1, the new AI economy roadmap. Imagine walking into your next business meeting radiating quiet confidence, knowing exactly how AI is reshaping your industry. Milestone number 2, your perfect AI niche formula. Remember how satisfying it felt when you first mastered your profession? Get ready to experience that again as you transform your industry expertise into a unique AI advantage. Milestone number 3, crafting compelling AI content. Picture yourself being introduced as a thought leader at industry events. Without writing a single line of code, you'll learn to create content that positions you as an AI expert in your field. Milestone number 4, the AI Solution Builder Framework. This is where transformation happens. You'll learn to develop AI solutions that solve real industry problems all without needing to become a programmer. Milestone number 5, strategic marketing for AI success. Worried about promoting your AI services without sounding too techy or salesy? I'll show you how to market with quiet confidence and professional acumen. Milestone number 6. Maximizing monetization opportunities. Struggling to price your AI services? Worried about leaving money on the table? I'll show you proven strategies to maximize your AI business revenue. Each milestone flows naturally into the next, building upon your existing strengths while gently expanding your capabilities. No overwhelming technical jargon, no unrealistic promises, just practical steps that respect your current responsibilities while building your AI future. In short, this is for professionals who understand that tomorrow's leaders must master AI today. Built specifically for experienced professionals like you, this blueprint leverages your existing industry expertise instead of forcing you to start from zero. You stand at a crossroads. One path leads to watching others ride the AI wave. The other puts you at the forefront of this revolution. The only question left is, are you ready to secure your place in the AI revolution? Choose your preferred learning style and begin your journey now. Clients are seeking your unique expertise in bridging traditional business with AI innovation. This isn't just a dream, it's the future waiting for priority action takers like you. What are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description or on the first comment below and start your journey into the world of AI for business. Congratulations on being an early pioneer in your industry, sealing your fate as one of your industry's subject matter experts in AI.